Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. Today should be cam break-in day. Everything is ready. The owner is on his way. I'm going to push this outside into the driveway and get things set up so when he gets here, we can fire it up. Engine's pushed outside. It's full of water in the radiator. Check the oil. That should be full. Yep. Gas is in it. It should fire up pretty quick. Okay, we're gonna give it a whirl here. Gas. Power on. Electric fan. We'll get the engine running first and then turn that on. All right. Took the mufflers off. I'll put them back on in a minute. Okay. It's gonna be a lot louder. Okay, we've got adjust the float level and the secondaries on the carburetor. And I'm going to start it up again. That belt flew off. We don't have the right size belt, plus the pulleys aren't lined up.
Yeah.
We'll take care of this. Okay, the cam is broken now. There's a couple things we had to do. One, there was a clack coming out of the fuel pump area, and we diagnosed it, and it turned out to be the angle of this pickup is different, and that had slop between the cam that comes around and pushes on that, so it was clacking, clack, 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 clack. So put a different fuel pump in there, and that noise went away. I just got a couple things to do, but the braking went in nice. Didn't have any oil leaks or rod knocks or anything really bad. I did get the CVF Racing pulleys for the power steering pump, alternator, crankshaft, and I got to put all that out in the front of the engine because this belt flipped off there a couple times on us. It's an old belt and it's not aligned correctly, but over and all it went pretty good. So that's going to be the end of part 5, putting a 289 in a 73 Comet. Stay tuned to my channel for more videos and updates. Bye.